how to make a collage on Instagram stories. So if you want to make a collage on Instagram stories, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has your story section, and go with camera. On the camera, you can go with layout, and under layout, you will be having the 4 layout or the 6 layout if you want to, and you can make a collage out of these 6. You can go with the bottom left, which has that gallery option, and from your gallery you can select your photos and add some photos to your collage. Or the other way is you can go with your story again, go with your camera and just simply take a picture. After taking a picture, you need to go with the upper right, which has that filter section or the effects section. Under effects, you will have an option to add photo. So you just need to simply tap on the photo section and select the photo that you would like to add. You can adjust it, crop that however you like, and then just paste. In the same way, again go with the effects, again go with the photo, select another photo, resize it, and that's it. You can do this process with as many photos as you like. That's it. That's how you can make a collage. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.